everyone, welcome back to Van Life with Dani. Today we are going to try to take off the floor, the manufactured floor that came with the van. Last time we took off all the screws and all the panels. Abby, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Abby. I've been here before to look at some vans, but this is my first day working on the van and I'm really excited to use the crowbar.
Yay! Yeah, so I bought this. Where's the pry bar?
I'll go get it.
I saw a lot of videos, a lot of people use a pry bar to try to get the floors off. So we're going to try that, and it's glued on, so we're going to try to be careful, and we're going to try not to mess up my van, and we'll record that process for you to watch to see how we do it.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, so I'm going to do a voiceover for the rest of the video because my microphone was not working. So here is the flooring that we took out. I'm going to keep this floor because I'm going to use it to trace the shape of my new flooring that I'm going to install in a later video. I'll be doing a little dance there. And over here you can see how dirty the van is, so on a different day we're going to dedicate time to cleaning it. And you can kind of see where we took out some of the putties, and there's still some left there too. And how we took it out, well, Abby's passing over some needle nose pliers. So you can use either of these tools that I'm showing here to try to take out some of the putty. It was not easy. It was definitely very hard and time consuming. So thank goodness I had Abby and Shane helping me there. But if you grab just a lip of the putty and twist it, kind of how my hand is twisting it here, you can take that off. And if that doesn't work, then you can use this hair dryer to heat the putty up to make it a little bit more malleable. And if that doesn't work, then we ended up using these blades, these X-Acto knives, to slice the putty off, like we did here in this putty piece. And yes, we did scratch the floor of my van, but that's okay. I will fix it on another day.
Thank you. It's so close.
Wait, no, use the pliers. There you go. Yeah.
I'm going to voice over this outro as well. Look at Abby looking fabulous. Slay. I am a newbie at video editing, and our neighbors were constructing, so I couldn't hear a word that I was saying in this video. But the outro was just me summing up what we did, which was taking out the floor and most of the putties. And on another day, we will clean it. So thank you all for watching, and I appreciated the help of my friends. Bye, see you all next time.